What happens if you double the size of a cardboard box? You might think its surface area and the space inside both just double, but geometry has a surprising secret called the square-cube law, and it governs almost everything in our physical world. Here's the rule. When you scale something up, its length scales directly, but its surface area grows by the square of that increase, and its volume grows by the cube. So if you double a box's dimensions, you get 4 times the surface area, but a massive 8 times the internal volume. Volume always grows much, much faster than the surface that contains it. This isn't just a math trick, it explains why our world looks the way it does. Consider an animal. Its ability to lose heat depends on its surface area, its skin. A tiny hummingbird has a huge amount of skin compared to its tiny volume, so it loses heat incredibly fast and has to eat constantly just to stay warm. An elephant, on the other hand, is all volume. It has a low surface area to volume ratio, so it retains heat easily. In fact, it needs those giant ears just to create extra surface area to cool down. This law also explains why giants can't exist. An animal's strength comes from the cross-section of its bones, an area, but its weight comes from its mass, a volume. If you scaled an ant up to the size of a bus, its bones would get 100 times stronger, but its weight would increase by 1,000 times. Its legs would snap instantly. So next time you're planning a project, remember this law. If you build a second room with double the dimensions, you'll need 4 times the paint for the walls, but an air conditioner 8 times as powerful to cool the space inside. It's a simple rule with massive consequences, shaping everything from biology to architecture.